Okay, Nvidia stock. Let's break it down. It's currently about 2:15 p.m. on the East Coast, and we have Nvidia stock pretty much at break even, trading at $145 per share after actually being up earlier in the day. I think we were at what, 146.50. So now we are selling off in real time on the intraday chart. You guys see it. We are down a good chunk. So we have to break down the charts, do an update, my thoughts. But first, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. I'm telling you guys, this is the best deal right now by far. Whoops, there's my Dubai background, guys. My bad. There's the Moomoo page. There we go. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So again, use that link down below, guys, or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And let's get right into the video. So Nvidia down a little bit, pretty much at break even, but the charts are still looking pretty good. And earlier in the day, guys, like I said, we hit $146.50, which means we took out the highs from yesterday, from the last couple of days, and at one point we were up, I think, let's see here, roughly 1%. Yeah, like 1.1%, nothing crazy. But overall, guys, the point is we're pulling back a bit, but the uptrend's holding. And this actually looks pretty healthy, in my opinion, this little mini pullback after hitting a fresh high again, like I said. This looks pretty good. And overall, we're holding trend. Buyers are coming in right at the trend. You guys see we held 144 this morning. Now we're holding about 144.50 as of about 10 minutes ago, which is good. Now we're rallying off that level. So into the next hour and a half, 2 hours, as we're wrapping up this day, heading into tomorrow on Friday, I'm looking to see if the bulls push us higher. That'd be ideal. If we start pushing anywhere near the highs from today, maybe from yesterday even, being about 145.80, if we start pushing into close, that would be ideal. The higher we go, obviously, the better. But that's kind of what I'm waiting for here, what I'm watching out for over the next hour, hour and a half of trading. And on the 10-day, 30-minute chart, if I pull this up, obviously, we still have a golden cross. That's still intact. We're above both moving averages. We're looking really good. The inverse head and shoulders has pretty much played out now. We called that out a couple of days ago. That played out pretty nicely. So we're moving nice, moving good, up a good chunk off the lows. We hit 131 just about a week ago, guys. About 8 days ago. Now we're up around 10% off that low. And by the way, did you guys buy that dip? I'm actually curious. Let me know in the comments. I'm pretty sure I did buy, not exactly at 131. I might have bought some shares at 135. I forget exactly the price there. But yeah, Nvidia rebounding quite nicely off those lows. And on the 1 hour chart, you guys really see that golden cross. It's looking really good. Now we're breaking out towards kind of where we were before the all-time high push. We hit 153 after earnings, but before that, we were struggling to break about 148, 148.50, and that's kind of where we're at now. So that's a big sell range overall for Nvidia, other than that one-off pop to 153, which didn't last long. I mean, it lasted an hour, if that. So yeah, man, this spot we're getting near here is very big for the bulls to break, and we'll see. All signs are pointing to us at least testing it, but will we break it in the last month of the year here? Are we going to get that Santa Claus rally? Time will tell. But in the meantime, I think we can make a move, $4 or $5 move to about 150, and that is the moment of truth. Actually, more like 148, 149 is the moment of truth. And if we're able to get out of there, man, this could be breaking out even before the end of the year, but maybe into the new year. We'll see how it goes, man. Obviously, nothing's guaranteed. Please do your own research. But over the next couple of days, this spot right here, 148, it's going to be big. And we're pretty much there right now. We actually tested, pretty much got to it earlier in the day today. So that's a quick breakdown here on Nvidia, guys. Kind of what I'm seeing right now as we're about an hour and a half away from close. And this is happening in the midst of a red day. We've covered that throughout the day today. You know, the markets are not looking too great. It's not a bloodbath by any stretch of the imagination. It's not bad at all, really. We're just getting a little bit of a sell-off. Not a big deal considering how much the stock market has been up. As you guys know, SPY just hit an all-time high today. Same thing with QQQ. This just hit an all-time high. So, yeah, as you guys know, I mean, we've been roaring lately. And, yeah, we're due for a little bit of red. It happens. And other stocks on the watch list today. And actually, wait, before we talk about that, don't forget to join the email list. It's free. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your email. All you guys have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link down below, and boom, you're in. I'm sending you my top 3 stocks every week for free. So guys, get in there. And have you seen the meme stocks today, man? Oh my goodness, GameStop is up 10% right now. As like I said, we're about an hour and a half away from close. GameStop is getting a lot of volume and a lot of momentum's building up, right? We actually filled the gap back down here to about 25.80, and now we actually filled it right back up to 29.30, which we're pretty much at that resistance from around a week ago, which if this breaks $31, man, this could be going who the heck knows where. A lot higher for all we know. The next gap in the short term, if it breaks 31, would be up to about 34, which could happen very quickly, knowing how GameStop trades. So I'm not sure really the catalyst right now. I just saw it pop up here on my watch list. But yeah, it looks like it came out of nowhere, man, at about 1:45 p.m. This thing just rocketed out of nowhere. Obviously, we must have gotten a catalyst, right? Oh, it looks like Roaring Kitty returns to X. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, did he return to X? I guess he did. Let me actually pull this up. We have a minute here, right? Yeah, might as well do it. Why not? So let me pull up X really quickly. Let's see what Kitty ended up saying here. I'm actually curious. I know this doesn't have much to do with Nvidia here, but might as well, we got some time here. Might as well see what he ended up saying. So, yeah, it looks like he put up. Okay, this is interesting. Obviously, you guys know his form of communication. It's memes, right? So take a look at this one right here. He just put this up. It looks like 40 minutes ago. And it says time. Looks like there's a computer there. You got the keyboard. It looks like there's a video playing. Looks like a 4-minute and 20-second video. It's at 1:09. It looks like it's paused here on the screen. I don't know if there's a meaning behind that. Maybe, who knows? But that's kind of what we're seeing. Maybe we can get a hint that it's time for something, right? You look at this, you're like, oh, what's it time for? Maybe for a big move? I don't know. That's what investors think, and the stock is moving, right? So, yeah, that's all it takes. That's all it takes for this stock to move. We got Kitty back on Twitter or on X, and we'll see how it goes, guys. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube, where I think we're like 200 subs away from 45,000 subscribers. I appreciate all of you for tuning in as always, and don't forget to snag up your free stocks. Open up your Moomoo account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.